This video is about optimization. A piece of A4 paper with 8.3 inches by 11.7 inches will be made into an open box by cutting equal squares from the four corners, folding up the edges. Determine the dimensions of the box that has the maximum possible volume, and also find the surface area of the box. Look at this diagram. We want to cut equal squares from four corners. What's the length of the box? 11.7 minus 2x. What's the width of the box? 8.3 minus 2x. The height of the box is x. We know the volume for rectangular box equals length times width times height. From this diagram, we know the length equals 11.7 minus 2x. The width equals 8.3 minus 2x. Height equals x. So the volume equals 11.7 minus 2x. 8.3 minus 2x, then times x. Do the distributive property first. 11.7 minus 2x times 8.3x minus 2x squared. Then do the FOIL equals 11.7 times 8.3x is 97.11x. 11.7 times negative 2x squared, negative 23.4x squared. Negative 2x times 8.3x, negative 16.6x squared. Negative 2x times negative 2x squared is a positive 4x to the third power. Combine like terms. 97.11x minus 40x squared plus 4x to the third power. Let's organize this polynomial in descending order. 4x to the third power minus 40x squared plus 97.11x. Since we are looking for the maximum possible volume, we need to figure out v prime of x. V prime of x equals 4x to the third power prime minus 40x squared prime plus 97.11x prime. The power rule of derivative x to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. 12x squared minus 80x plus 97.11. The third step, figure out the stationary point. V prime of x equals 0, which means 12x squared minus 80x plus 97.11 equals 0. By solver, let's go to calculator. After we put derivative function into y1, go to Math, Solver, enter. Alpha trace y1, enter. Put 10, then alpha, enter. Answer is 5.0707. Put negative 10, alpha, enter. Answer is 1.595. So we get two solutions. X1 equals 1.60. X2 equals 5.07 as a three-figure fix. The fourth step, classify the stationary point. We need to fill out these two tables to classify the stationary points. We know y1 is the v prime of x. Alpha trace y1 1.60 minus 0.1. Enter. Positive. Y1 for 1.60 plus 0.1 is negative. Positive or negative. We can sketch the graph like this. Increasing, then decreasing. So local maximum at x equals 1.60. Check second one. Alpha trace. Enter. Parentheses 5.07 minus 0.1. Enter. Negative. Change into plus. Enter. Got positive. Negative or positive. Sketch the graph like this. Going down, then going up. So local minimum at x equals 5.07. We need to figure out local maximum volume. Next step, we need to figure out the maximum volume. We do know volume equals 11.7 minus 2x. 8.3 minus 2x, then times x. For v of 1.60 equals, let's put the function into y2. 11.7 minus 2x times 8.3 minus 2x, then times x. Then quit alpha trace, go to y2, 1.60, enter. Volume equals 69.36 inches cubed. So the maximum volume is 69.36 inches cubed. Let's figure out the length of the box. 11.7 minus 2 times 1.60 equals 8.5. For the width equals 8.3 minus 2 times 1.60. 5.1. The height equals 1.60. So the surface area equals. Imagine we fold this paper into this open box. For the bottom surface area equals 8.5 times 5.1, then plus the size, these two, 5.1 times the height is 1.60, multiplied by 2. This one and this one, plus 8.5 times 1.60 times 2, 86.87 inches squared.